Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from AT&T Call Protect and Privacy Preferences, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from AT&T Call Protect, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the official AT&T website. Log into your AT&T account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Call Protect option within your account settings. Click on Call Protect to access your account preferences. Next, find the Manage Call Protect section. Here, you will see options related to your Call Protect settings. Select the option to opt out or withdraw from Call Protect. Confirm your choice when prompted by the on-screen message. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification about your withdrawal. Now, to adjust your privacy preferences, return to the My Account section. Locate the Privacy Settings option in your account. Click on Privacy Settings to see your current preferences. From here, you can select your desired privacy options. Make any necessary changes to your privacy preferences. Be sure to save your changes before leaving the page. You will receive a confirmation that your privacy settings have been updated. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting AT&T customer support for assistance. Once you have completed these steps, you have successfully withdrawn from AT&T Call Protect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.